Hey everyone, a 70 Dodge Charger, one owner, rotisserie restored years back, but in beautiful condition. Factory triple black car, numbers matching 440, that is now available. We have the original window sticker. We also have the original title from the current first owner, stamped in 1970. This car is simply beautiful, guys. There's the book there on the passenger seat that goes through the restoration. As you can see here, look at this reflection. Beautiful, beautiful 70 Dodge Charger. Guys, gals, you can check out all the photos at mgmclassiccars.com. And yes, we got financing available for the Charger. It's we got some, long term with low payments, so you can stretch it out as long as you like to get those payments to function for you correctly. There you go, guys. Bucket seat console car again. The only thing is, it's an aftermarket radio that's been put in the Dodge Charger. Beautiful and available here, right there. Give us a call or text us, 847-848-1850. Again, 1970 Dodge Charger, real RT car, one owner from Dodge Spaulding here, Spaulding Dodge, with Norm. Check it out, guys. You guys know who Norm is? Yeah, Spaulding Dodge, guys, one owner. Here, look at this. Let me roll up this window really quick. I want to show you something. Mr. Norms, original one owner car, sold by Mr. Norms to the first owner. And again, like I said, we got the original title to the car, and this is a one owner documented triple black RT. Give us a call, 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching, mgmclassiccars.com.